HVAC lab. Coming inside here, we first run into our cooler, which can be turned into a freezer, and we teach the students how to wire it up, troubleshoot, and put it together. And we also have our gas furnaces, which some are dual fuel, which means they work off electric and gas heating. And if you walk outside here, I'll show you our outside pad. These are our condenser units. They're heat pump and regular condensers. And here we teach the students how to check superheat, subcooling, and troubleshoot and repair the units. And if we take a walk down here, this is what we call a mini split outdoor unit. I'll show you the other half of it once we're back inside. And if we walk around the corner here, we have our package units. And our package units are heating and air where everything is outside, so there's nothing in your attic or in your crawl space. This makes it easier for the technician to work on and do other things to it without disturbing you in the inside. You stop. Hey, how you doing? Welcome to the HVAC lab here at South Piedmont Community College. We have a lot to offer. Right here we have a walk-in cooler / freezer. We can set the temperatures to be a freezer or a cooler. Here, take a look. Over here we have our gas furnaces. We have a variety of furnaces so our students can get hands-on experience with the main manufacturers in the industry. We have Carrier, Lennox, and Goodman. This is our outdoor unit, so our students will get a experience on working on units just as they are in the residential community. We also have Lennox, Goodman, and Carrier connected to the units inside. And if we walk down this way, around the corner here, we have our package units. These are dual fuel package units. They work off of gas and they're also heat pumps. Because a heat pump is more efficient than gas as long as the temperature isn't too low. And when the temperature do get that low, it switches automatically over to gas. So we heat and cool with electric and use gas as a backup on these package units. This is our lab area where we actually work on things. These are our lab benches. And also we've included a smart TV to give students instructions out here in the lab also. And this is one of our boards that we have made to assimilate electric heat, to allow the students to get the experience of wiring things up just like they are in the furnace. Each student will have one of these and get a great experience on how to wire them up. And if we walk over here, this is our ice machines. We have 6 of them, and the students will get to experience taking them apart, wiring them up, and make ice. Over here we have simulators for our coolers, which is this is the cooling part. Students will learn how to wire up the defrost clocks, high and low pressure switches, and also the compressors.